I'm going to be replacing the spark plugs of this xDrive25i X1 F48 chassis. It's done 125,000 kilometers. So we just have to remove this engine cover. Just lift up. There. Here and here. And that just comes out. Now there's 4 of them, so there's this one here, so that's an E8. We undo that bolt, undo this cable harness and pull this up, and that will show us the spark plug. So this one here on the right is covered by this rubber thing. I think I just pull it out. It was a bit hard to get that rubber thing out of the way, so I just pushed it back to get access to the spark plugs. So to remove this plug, we just pull this little gray tab up and then push down, and that will just come out. Okay, so after loosening this E8 Torx bolt, this just pulls straight up, and the spark plug is down there. So this is a 14mm 12 point with a bit of a swivel on it, and that's what I'm going to use to take out the spark plug. So this is the spark plug that came out of the engine. I believe this is original since the car was new from 2016. It's a Champion, and I'm going to be replacing with a Bosch branded one as a double platinum. So I just put this in, and the spec says to torque it to 23 Newton meter plus or minus 3 Newton meter. So when you first put the spark plug in, you have to start turning by hand, so you can feel when the thread is actually catching and actually being screwed down. Do it until you feel that it's tight before you use a ratchet. Okay, so I've done all 4 spark plugs, and I've positioned this rubber thing back in its place so that it'll sit nicely when this cover goes in with this little cutout here. Thanks for watching.